It's fall. There are so many things that can be done to make it feel and look more like fall. The resident expert here at Me and McGee is my mother. Very proud, gonna have her show what she does to make the market come to life. Pumpkins are a huge part of what we've done, and through experience, we've picked up some tips. So, Mom, what's the #1 tip?
What I do and what you should do when you get them home is clean the dirt off of the pumpkins. But getting that dirt off really helps preserve the pumpkins. Another thing that I run into when we start getting into rain is the pumpkins that are sitting on the ground. We don't always get back around to either, dump the water out of it or get it up off the ground. So I have started setting any of my pumpkins on these grapevine wreaths. So that kind of gives it its airflow under here. It gets it up off the ground, and it's cute and it's natural, and it just kind of adds to nature. So we're going to stack pumpkins, and there's really not a wrong way or right way. A lot of people have their own color schemes to match the color of their brick, of their house, or what they really like. So we're going to do 2 different pumpkin stacks. So first we're going to go with this, what they call the peanut pumpkin.
The peanut pumpkin.
Peanut pumpkin. And what this does too with the grapevine is it sturdies it. It's not rocking very much. It's going to give it a good base. So next, Logan, we need to trim that off. With a good pair of scissors or garden shears, just kind of snap those off and get that out of the way.
So that just makes it flat.
That makes it flat. You can come on next with another grapevine wreath if you like. You can do that. Logan, we're gonna do this.
So this just sturdies it up.
It sturdies it up.
It's pretty cute, and these are easy to find. They're
Walmart,
cheap.
Hobby Lobby, Michael's, anywhere, $2, $3, $4. And I have a few out here that we've had for a few years, and they're still great. So it not a bad investment at all. So if you want to add another layer of whatever, a lot of times I have moss. I have all kinds of stuff stuck back in places. Logan calls me a hoarder.
That is an understatement.
But it comes in handy. So we can add the moss. Again, it's nature. And then I usually like to top off the top with a pretty stem. So we can either go white on next, it really doesn't have a pretty stem, or this yellow.
And what kind of pumpkin is that?
This is a millionaire pumpkin. So that's a good start, and it's cute. A lot of people will have like your fall leaves, and one of the things that the grapevine wreaths let you do is it will let you stick the sticks through there, and they're usually the metal, so you can bend it, shape it, but you can use those to add even up under the bottom. And then I bought these little guys last week. It has the acorns and little pine cones on it, and I thought that those were super cute. And these fold up. You can spread it out, just fill it in, step back, look at it, and when you like it, then it's set. So we're gonna do a traditional orange pumpkin stack. Take this one. This is called a red warty thing. So Logan will grab that and need to cut that stem off. So I admit I did get this week when I got the little acorn sticks. But what I like about this is that we can swirl it around, and we'll just kind of hold that right there. These kind of have more of the fall colors.
So Mom's a Halloween baby, so she goes all out every year of my life.
I had the best birthdays. They were fun. Fix that, and you can either go all the way around it, but if you're in the corner, like at a porch and stuff, you don't have to do the back side. All right, Logan, let's set that up there.
A lot of the pumpkins have got a little inset right there, and the stem will fit in there if you do cut it flush.
It does. So we'll just do a 2-stack pumpkin, which is fine. You can go 3 or whatever you like. There's no right or wrong. And then just kind of come around. And these are really helpful. So if you've got a wobbly pumpkin like right there, then kind of tuck that in there and just shore it up. And one thing that I really like to do is I like to decorate the stems. And you can decorate, I like, again, the natural. You can do any type of ribbons. I like the wood raffia. Okay, and you're gonna cut on a diagonal. All right, and then we're gonna, this jute is everywhere with me, every day. And we're gonna do one more.
3 different materials come
3
together.
different materials. So we're just gonna top this guy off. So we've got white in this one ribbon with the khaki color, which matches the raffia. You've got your orange raffia that matches your pumpkins, and then just kind of spread it out. It doesn't have to be perfect. I think when it doesn't look as perfect, it's pretty good. I like it better. But again, if bows aren't your thing, so many different things and ideas that you can do.
So what would you guess that would cost?
This is probably going to be around $25 just because of what I bought at the store and with that, which isn't bad at all. And then just trim any of your edges to just, you know, straighten it up like that. Colors, you know, put these 2 stacks with that tall pumpkin on there. So again, you know, that's super cute with this dark stem on it. You can decorate the stem.
So with this, the main thing is just how do we stable it up if we get into something like this? Like, you know, kids or a dog can knock that over.
The moss is really good with making it secure too. And see, we didn't cut that little stem off, but that moss is going to padding.
Oh yeah, that's
padding
a lot
that.
better.
And then with this long stem, this would be totally cute. So you could just even bend that up, and you could come back with that, wrap it around. If you want to add a bow, ribbon. I've even used the corn stalks off of the corn husks. It's super good, super great. You can apply it at the top. You can affix your corn cob there. That adds another element.
So there's lots and lots of options that you can do. Just let your imagination go. Thank you for watching. We really enjoy doing these type of things, sharing with you what we're passionate about. Hope you're enjoying it too.